Hi, I'm Silas. Silas You Can Do Anything channel is a channel where we'll teach you how to make a particular dish that we have absolutely no idea whatsoever how to make.
Okay, it's good. Yeah.
Next step.
Yes, it's true. What you see is the very first time we make whatever we're making with the help of our off-camera cooking consultants. Usually our moms or family friends.
That's pretty sure enough. Oh, we can just add the rest.
The idea is to show you and our future selves how easy it is to cook.
This looks so good.
Even my brothers in kindergarten can do it, so there really is no excuse. I hope you'll enjoy our videos as we embark on this journey to document every single recipe that comes into our path. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and leave us a like. See ya!